Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I will show you how to make a picture puzzle with your Cricut machine. We just need a printer, sticker paper, cereal box, and of course, a Cricut machine. You can use any picture or image that you like. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Upload, Upload Image, then Browse. And I have the image that I want to use saved on my desktop. So I'm going to click that and open. And here I'm going to choose complex because I'm not just dealing with one or two colors, and it also has fine details. Click continue. Here we don't need to do anything, just click apply and continue. Then click print, then cut image and then upload. And then select the image that you've just uploaded and then add to canvas. And then click images and then type in puzzle. And then from here, you can choose any style of puzzle. I'll choose this and click add to canvas. And then here, I'm going to change the size of my image to 6 by 8 inches. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And then select all, and then align, and then center horizontally. And then click align again and then center vertically. And this white background of the puzzle, we need to hide it by clicking the eye icon. It's not very visible, but if you can see the outline of the puzzle, that's what the machine needs to cut the puzzle. Now we're going to need to select all and then click attach and then click make it. Click continue. And then here, click print. I'm using an Explore Air 2 and I adjusted the dial to custom. And since the sticker paper is attached to a cereal box, I'm going to use the craft board setting because the cereal box is a bit thick. So I'm going to click browse all materials. And then there it is. Click that and then click done. And adjust the pressure to more because we want to make sure that it's cut all the way. Now cut the cereal box. Now for the sticker paper, I recommend you use the glossy one because I used the matte and I didn't like how the picture was printed on it. And then peel off the sticker paper from the backing and then attach it to the cereal box. When attaching it, make sure you go slowly because you don't want any bubbles under it. Again, I recommend you use a glossy sticker paper for a better quality picture. And then use a brayer if you have one to lay it flat. Preparing the strong grip mat or the purple mat. But if you're only using the green mat or the standard grip mat, I recommend you tape the four corners down and use a brayer to secure the material to your mat. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!